Hello students, I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking 5th standard SST subject. Today's our second topic is the tropical region. Let's learn about the location of tropical region. The tropical region lies between latitudes 5 degree and 23.5 degree, both north and south of the equator. In the northern hemisphere, the region is bound by the Tropic of Cancer, and in the southern hemisphere, the Tropic of Capricorn defines its extent. The region derives its name from these two imaginary lines. Also known as the tropics, this region comprises parts of North America, South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. If you observe the map carefully, you will see that part of India also lies in the tropical region. See students, this pink color area are the tropical region of the world. South America, Africa, and you will see a part of India also lies in the tropical region. Northern hemisphere regions is bound by the Tropic of Cancer, and in the southern hemisphere Tropic of Capricorn defines its extent. Did you know the Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 Indian states? First one is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, fourth Chhattisgarh, next Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Let's learn about the climate. The tropical region and the equatorial region together make up the torrid zone. Torrid means hot. So, the climate in this region is mostly hot and humid or hot and dry. In the tropics, there are two seasons, a dry season and a wet season. Depending upon the time of rainfall, in the northern hemisphere, the wet season occurs from May to July, and in the southern hemisphere, it is from November to February. In tropical region, the in tropical region and equatorial region together make up the torrid zone. Torrid means hot zone. So that climate in this region mostly hot and humid, means hot or dry. In this tropical region there are two seasons. First one is dry season and wet season. depending upon the time of rainfall. In northern hemisphere, wet season occurs from May to July, and southern hemisphere it is from November to February. There are areas in the tropics that stand out in terms of climate because of their varied geographical features. For example, part of the Sahara Desert falls in the torrid zone, hot zone. Let's learn about the grasslands. The tropical region is famous for its grasslands. These grasslands are called a savanna, a term that comes from the Spanish word savanna, meaning treeless plain. The savanna lies between latitudes 5 degree and 15 degree on either side of the equator. Most of it is found in Africa, South America, and Australia. In Africa, the savanna lies between the equatorial forests and the hot deserts. In South America, these grasslands are called the llanos and the campos. The llanos cover parts of Venezuela and Colombia, while the campos is found mostly in Uruguay and Brazil. In tropical region is famous for its grasslands. Grasslands is called savanna. Savanna, it is term that comes from Spanish word savanna, meaning treeless plain. Its latitude savanna lies between latitude 5 degree to 5 degree and 15 degree either side of the equator. It's found in Africa, South America, and Australia. In Africa, savanna lies between equatorial forest and hot deserts. Compared to the rest of the tropics, the grasslands get very little rainfall. The areas are also known for their long dry spells, so the climate is not really favorable for the growth of trees. But the grass here grows very tall, and the tallest is the elephant grass, which can grow up to 3 meters tall. If a human being stands amidst it, she or he will be completely hidden. During the dry season of the grass wither completely, the wet season brings a fresh coat of grass once again. The temperature is the grasslands ranges between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Grasslands get very little rainfall in tropical region. In this area are also known for their long dry spells. The tallest grass is the elephant grass, which can grow up to 3 meters tall. Human beings stand amidst, she or he will be completely hidden. Dry season, the grass withers completely. Wet season brings a fresh coat of grass. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Write the climate of tropical region, page number 249 in your SST homework book, and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.